Okay guys, time for a cup of tea. What we're doing here is replacing my old wood stove. I bought this thing in 2017. It's made thousands and thousands of cups of tea, that's for sure. I've cooked a mountain of food on here. It gets used multiple times a day normally. And she's got a little deficiency. These things normally crack the front right off, and that's what's happening to this one. It cracked probably a year ago, but it's gradually getting worse to the point it's opened up enough now that I gotta put a grate on here so the kettle don't fall through. It used to fit on there just fine. It still works just normal, there's no problem with it, but I'm afraid if I got a big pot of soup or something on here, the front falls off, goodbye dinner. And that's what I'm trying to avoid. I got a new one, but I decided I'd give the old one more burn, just for old time's sake, and make a cup of tea. $2017, that's a long time. Considering this thing cost me 70 baht, the new one cost 80 baht. That's still only like $2.50 or something like that, yeah? These are amazing stoves, really, really heavy. But quite the design, that's for sure. I cooked on this thing for about 6 months straight. I didn't cook anything in the house. I had an excess pile of wood and I went through it. It took a long time, but I did it. I cooked everything out here. I enjoy cooking this way, and so I use it a lot. I barbecue on here as well. Works good with charcoal too. This one used to be in the workshop. When I started cooking here in the outdoor kitchen, I brought it over here. Money well invested, that's for sure. Looks pretty much exactly the same, but you can see where this is lower now because it's falling off. I'm sure somebody remembers when I built this thing. Gets used a lot. There we go. It don't take long, that's for sure. Just look at the old kettle, huh? It only gets clean when the rain cleans it. Here's my soup pot. She's a little black too. As you can see with the new one, the kettle fits on there perfect, right? It don't do that on the old one anymore. It goes right in. That's the difference. The first burn on the new stove. It's time to get this one dirty. We'll start with a cup of tea. Look at that. Perfect. The plan here is to do a cooking video for the Catfish Kitchen today. I'm going to cook a big pot of soup, and it's got a very unique main ingredient in it. If you want to check that video out, link to the Catfish Kitchen is in the video description. That video should be up before this one. It's a beautiful thing, yeah? Look at that.